सो हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका GTA के एक और नए मिशन में। आज का मिशन होने वाला है हमारा ट्रेवर के साथ। और ये दोनों ट्रेवर की बुराई कर रहे थे, पीछे से एकदम आया ट्रेवर तो दोनों की सिट्टी बिट्टी गुम हो गई। और ये अब सफाई दे रहे हैं।
Whoa! Whoa! Now, Mr. Raspberry Jam, you died a noble death, bringing great joy to a lonely man.
I ain't got a very big penis. Some girls laugh when they look at me.
Show me. Show me!
No, I don't want to.
And? Anything interesting there for a man like me?
Well, I mean, I don't rightly know.
अभी हम तीनों कोई मिशन पे जाएंगे भाई। कोई मिलिट्री का सामान है कंटेनर के अंदर। कंटेनर यार्ड में जाएंगे हम।
Let's get you, Wade, and that little tormentor down there.
लेकिन अभी तो ड्राइवर इन दोनों की बजा रहा है। लो बॉक्स दिया है इनको कोई।
Going for a ride.
अब इनमें पता नहीं क्या है।
The gateway to America awaits. Run. We got an
ओके,
inside
यूनिफॉर्म
man.
थी इसके अंदर।
I'm gonna send you some information. I need you on point to help plan things.
Well, guess we're going to port.
चलो चलते हैं भाई जल्दी से।
Come on then, Floyd. What you got for me?
Like I said, I don't rightly know what we got. You're going to have to be more exact in your questioning, sir.
We're looking for something to steal.
Sir, I stole a pencil in elementary school, and I've been regretting it ever since.
Floyd always was a stick in the mud.
Look, sir, please, just tell me what you want, and I'll do my utmost to assist you in finding it.
Here's the problem. I don't know what I want. It's a bit, well, like pornography or a perfect turn. I can't quite describe it, but I'll know it when I see it.
You ain't aiding my comprehension.
All right.
गाड़ियों को टक्कर मारने में वैसे मजा आता है।
236
वो अलग बात है कि हमें चलानी नहीं
cargo
आती।
came through the port of Los Santos last year.
He's real good with numbers.
I don't want to hijack a truck full of pineapples, Floyd. Here to operate on U.S. soil.
Sir,
Operate on U.S. soil?
that, sounds like them.
So there's a private militia in the port. What are they guarding?
This one freighter, I guess now that you mention it, it ain't quite right.
A freighter. Perfect. Can I get on board?
No, they won't let you anywhere near it. They're kind of assholes about it, actually. The other day, my colleague, Ralph...
I don't give a shit about Ralph. Did you not fucking see me? Give a shit.
लो भाई हम
about
पहुंच
Ralph.
चुके हैं
We gotta take a
पोर्ट
look.
के
Is there
पास।
anything else?
There's another bunch of Merryweather guys out by the Navy warehouse. They got boats coming in and out.
यहीं से हमें 2 कंटेनर लोड करने हैं।
All right. We'll take a look at that as well.
Go park and get to dispatch.
Yep, will do.
Go park and get to dispatch.
गाड़ी को करते हैं पार्क।
Here comes the suit. I gotta check in.
Remember, Floyd, this can go real wrong real quick.
We got a waste spillage and I got a slot on the cleanup crew.
There is nothing that Wade here ain't gonna do for a warm meal.
Hope you got a strong
ओके भाई, हमारा एक बंदा यहीं पे रहेगा और हम 2 आगे जाएंगे।
Get in there.
Unit takes
फ्लोड नाम है इसका, इसके पीछे जाना है हमें।
It's over here.
You ever got helicopters coming in and out of here? And all those big sky crane things that can pick up a whole container?
Now this is restricted airspace. They won't let anything out of here without clearance. Shoot it down if they have to.
So how's a man in a hurry supposed to get in and out of this place?
Well, we got a port that stretched to 50 feet.
Now, what's the Coast Guard response like?
Well, they got cutters, 45-foot response vessels, air support. You're not gonna move much faster than them, especially if you're carrying something.
Maybe I'll have to saddle you up and ride you across the Miriam Turner overpass.
I just said they had the water surface real covered.
Okay.
Government's done enough. That is the freighter I told you about. Merriweather guys at 2 o'clock. They're giving Forrest a hard time, all right.
What do you think they got on it?
We just stevedore them. We ain't meant to know what's in the containers.
But
But these are marked military. Government.
कि भाई इस कंटेनर में ना कोई मिलिट्री का सामान है
Stuff is hot freight. Pulls up, goes right through.
जो हम यहाँ से लोड करेंगे.
It's been sitting here.
you are beginning to arouse my curiosity.
अभी शायद से हम ये क्रेन ऑपरेट करेंगे.
Two guys on the handler. Couple of
हाँ,
containers that maybe gotta be
क्रेन
brought up
ऑपरेट
to
करेंगे हम.
That ain't a question. Get on it. Now.
You drive and I'll spot.
Guess they're gonna kick me out if I don't play along. How about I run
क्रेन
that
ही
prick
भाई
over
हैंडलर
this
नाम है
thing?
इसका.
I
हैंडलर.
thought you wanted to scope the place. We don't get the containers, they're gonna check your card. Oh, I'm getting nervous.
You're always nervous. Relax.
Not always, sir. Just around you. And it's just Cousin Wade's on his own. He better hold it together, stick to the story.
You'll be fine. Boy's on a waste clearance crew. He's never happier than when he's neck deep in shit.
They're gonna check us.
ये हैं 2 कंटेनर जो हमें लेके जाने हैं.
Those are the containers in Bay B. And attach it. That's it. Now we gotta bring it over to Bay F.
I know why they call them handlers, because they handle like a dream.
ओए
This ain't a
गिर गया
toy,
भाई.
sir.
दोबारा
It's
उठाने की
heavy
कोशिश करते हैं एक बार.
Thank fuck I'm high as a kite.
You should not be operating this vehicle while under the influence.
I'll operate you under the influence if you're not careful.
लो भाई उठ तो गया कंटेनर. अब इसकी जगह पे रख के आते हैं इसको.
You happy? Now I'll get the other one for you. Me, anyway. I'm gonna need a better view of that freighter.
I'm sorry, but this is as close as you going to get.
Nah. I need to take some pictures. Send them to my guy, Ron. I'll need a proper view.
There's the cranes, but...
Cranes! Perfect!
Oh, shoot.
अब दूसरे को लेके आते हैं.
Clamp it on now.
Hey, whose dick you have to suck to get this job? Being a stevedore used to be back-breaking work. Now you're paid brain surgeon bucks to push an oversized shopping cart.
I did not fellatiate no one to get this job. Deborah's old friends with the... Well, with the...
With the say no more. You didn't fillet no one, but darling Debbie probably did. She probably enjoyed it.
आम गाड़ी से थोड़ी मुश्किल है क्रेन चलाना क्योंकि इसकी कटिंग थोड़ी कम है।
Okay, it's up to the top of the crane for me.
चलो भाई क्रेन में चलते हैं अब। यहाँ पे गड़बड़ सी लग रही है मेरे को थोड़ी।
Hey, there ain't time to admire the view. I've been waiting on a crane driver nearly an hour.
I'm not permitted to drive cranes, buddy.
Hey, you need me to get your union rep up here right now? Sooner you get in the cab, sooner we can get out of here.
This is on you.
लो भाई आगे क्रेन के कैबिन में।
All right, I'm here. What do I do?
First up, position
अब
the cabin
कंटेनर को
over
उठा
a
लेते हैं।
container. The light's on the bottom of the spreader. We need to go to the other end. Bay 5.
इस कंटेनर को ट्रक के ऊपर रखना है भाई। ये खड़ा है ट्रक अपना।
That's the truck. Ease her onto it. Bring the container down over the truck's frame. Truck is clear to go.
वही एक तो रख
And
दिया,
you said
अब
you
दूसरा
wasn't
लेके आते हैं।
qualified. Go back up to the other end and start again. Get back down to the other end. Line up the second red container at the end.
लो जी इसको भी उठा लिया, इसको भी लेके चलते हैं जल्दी से। तो भाई अब दूसरा कंटेनर रखते हैं। झूल गया ये हवा में थोड़ा।
All right.
ओके भाई रख दिए दोनों कंटेनर।
Break time.
Wow. I mean, this is some view, ain't it? I'm gonna take a couple shots for my boy.
अभी हमें यहाँ पे कोई पॉइंट पे जाना है। हाँ वो है सामने। ओके इस सामने जो बोट खड़ी है ना, इसकी फ़ोटो क्लिक करनी है। इसके ऊपर गार्ड घूम रहे हैं, इनकी फ़ोटो उतारनी है हमें। चलो चलते हैं नीचे। अरे भाई फ़ोटो दोबारा उतारनी पड़ेगी शायद। एक फ़ोटो पीछे से उतार लेते हैं। अब नीचे चलते हैं।
Trevor, you want to see that warehouse? Come on. We can use the big rig.
भाई अब हमें ट्रक लेके जाना है।
It's on the other side of Port City. So they've been guarding one of them dry docks.
डॉगिंग एरिया में जाना है हमें ट्रक लेके।
allowed around there.
Normal rules don't apply to us, Floyd. We're going in.
I don't know. The rules applied to me my whole life. I like rules.
And look at you. You're a failure. You're in a loveless relationship.
What do you
तोड़ना है क्या ये?
Loveless? I
अच्छा
love
खुल गया अपने
Emma.
आप।
If she loved you, she'd be here, wouldn't she? But she's not.
You know I'm insecure.
You've got a dead-end job.
What? Dead end? No.
Floyd, it's dead-end.
Being a unionized longshoreman's one of the best paying jobs in the country. You tell people around La Puerta that's what you do, they're liable to rob you.
You're abused by that woman. You're abused by these slave drivers. I mean, I've never worked so hard in my life.
It ain't so bad. I've been doing this every day for 10 years. Only
भाई हमें
usually with
नीचे
less of
उतरना
the
था, हम गलत आ गए थोड़ा।
You're wasting your life, Floyd. It's lucky we turned up when we did. I'm saving you from yourself.
We ain't heard from Wade.
What are you, his mother? He's fine.
The spillage shouldn't take this long to contain. There must be a lot of it.
Good. Keep him busy while we get to work.
Please be careful.
लो भाई पहुंच गए हम डॉकिंग एरिया। अंदर लेके जाना है इसको। ओ भाई यहाँ पे तो आर्मी है।
No understand you, huh? Manifesto. Manifesto say deliver here. Hey, stop. Get back here.
पंगा हो गया कुछ तो।
I got confused. The guy don't speak English. Must have read the manifesto.
इनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई। पीट दिया रोन को तो। ड्राइवर ने क्या उठाया ये? लो भाई ड्राइवर तो भाग गया रोन को छोड़ के। ओके रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया है, हमें यहाँ से बाहर जाना है। सॉरी रेस्ट्रिक्टेड। अभी एक मार्क आया है, मार्क पे चलते हैं जल्दी से। ड्रोन तो पिटता रहेगा वहाँ पे, हम भागते हैं भाई जल्दी जल्दी।
Trevor, these photos, you've really stumbled onto something. The ship, Merryweather.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about the ship. If we put a man with a gun on the bridge next to it and get a guy on board, I think we got a good chance of taking over.
शिप की बात चल रही है भाई
To
कोई।
me, there's a container below deck. They're guarding it for the government, keeping it off the books. Serious military technology, most like.
Yeah,
भाई
of course.
मिलिट्री
I
की
just
कोई
found a manifest
टेक्नोलॉजी है उसके अंदर
testing something out at sea. It's gotta be that. Now, get back
जो
to work.
कंटेनर हम
The
लेके आए हैं।
TPI conglomerate ain't thriving. There's only one man responsible.
Of course, yeah. But I'll start pulling all the intel I can get on Merryweather at the same time. I got a file here somewhere.
ओके भाई अब गाड़ी लेके भागते हैं यहाँ से। गाड़ी भी नहीं दिख रही यहाँ तो कोई, वो खड़ी है। सीधा आपको वहीं पे मिलता हूँ। लो भाई पहुँच गए हम अपने घर पे। अपना नहीं, ये हमने हथियार रखा है किसी का घर। जिन्होंने पहले एपिसोड देखे हमको पता है ये घर किसका है। चलो चलते हैं एक बार ऊपर।
try to stop it.
ये देखो भाई, मिलिट्री वालों ने मार मार के इसका क्या हाल कर दिया।
Oh, there, Wade. Betty, you're just not cut out for honest work, all right?
Did you get what you needed?
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, I just got to figure out a place to plan this now. This'll do.
That woman ain't even
ये पता नहीं किसकी फोटो तोड़ दी इसने, शायद उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है ये, जिस बंदे का ये घर है, इसके कजन का।
That's low self-esteem, Wade. We got to build him back up. Now. And there, perfect.
ये मैप बनाया है भाई इसने, कोई आगे का प्लान है जो।
Based on my observations, I'd say these Merryweather security cocksnots are sitting on something real valuable. I think they got 2 of these things, but we only need 1. First one is on that freighter in a container below deck. They got guards all over that ship, so it's likely they're keeping it on ice.
ये हमने फोटोज
The air,
भेजी
land,
थी
and
इसको।
sea routes into the port will be locked down as soon as we make a noise at these X's here. Which means we have to blow up the ship and grab the thing underwater. Need a guy to plant the bombs, a guy to look out for 'em with a rifle, and a guy to grab the thing, whatever
क्रेन
it
क्रून
is,
चलाना तो बहाना था, हम तो वैसे वहाँ
That means
निगरानी
stealing
करने
a
गए थे।
submarine, of course, but you can find us one of them, can't you?
Huh?
Now, the other one is off the coast being tested. They're running the operation from the dock where I last saw your cousin. We'll need a submarine for that too, and probably a chopper, a big one. We go out there, look around underwater, locate it, bring it back here, and find out what it is.
Here? To the Congo?
Aye, so, what do you think? Container ship or whatever's offshore? It's gotta be the container, right? You and Floyd can help, and we'll bring along Michael and his unpaid intern. Okay, all right.
What is that smell?
लो भाई, पूरा प्लान
We
तैयार
are
है।
going straight to the local union rep. Wade here was injured in the performance of his duties. Human waste has seeped into his very pores, and I am sorry to say this, but I don't think he's ever going to smell normal.
You can't go to the union.
You are union, all right, and you vouched for us, all right? You look at him, man. Smell him. Smell him.
Trevor, you're planning a robbery on my place of work. You violated Mr. Raspberry Jam, and God alone knows what else. Damn it, Deborah.
इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड थी भाई ये, इस बंदे की,
So why don't we just
लेकिन ड्राइवर ने इसकी फोटो तोड़ दी।
If you're comfortable with what's happened to your cousin, then so be it, right? But I would give him a bath and rinse him off.
No! No bath!
लो भाई, रात हो गई। मिशन भी पास हो चुका है। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।